is it?
Go.
To say record on it?
Yep.
You're recording. Alright, 65 pan. Continuation from, what, a year and a half ago?
Mm-hmm.
These are on exhaust intakes?
It was November I was here.
No, that only been 6 months?
Yep.
7 months? 8 months? Get confused. Alright, springs are rusty, so they're junk. What cam is in this?
That's a egg ring.
Threads look like they're missing. Your nuts look good. That's all that matters. What do you got this on there for?
It came with the kit.
You know you can't torque it with that on there.
Now.
It would just spread and come apart when you torque on it. If you don't torque them, it works.
Why do they send it to you?
I don't know. If you torque a lock wash, it just spreads apart. If you don't
Sometimes
torque
break.
If you don't torque it, it's fine. A little bit. So you feel up and down. Won't feel too bad. Hear the clearance. Relatively tight for a panhead. This here doesn't matter, that noise.
Mm-hmm.
Side to side doesn't matter. What vintage are these heads? Read the date.
Let's see.
It's right there.
Right here? I can't read that.
What about on this one? Not
Okay.
readable.
Nope.
On this side. Maybe it's on this side on this one.
Nope.
So something's at 5, 6, 6,
Oh, yeah, it
9,
does
9,
say.
6, 3, 4. That's the date. You're not supposed to use lock nuts with plastic on them because heat lets it come off.
Huh.
Plastic melts
That
with
makes
heat.
sense.
You see them scoop threads up. It's because my vice gels are straight and flat. If they weren't, the threads would be screwed up. Because this is bigger than this. Are we putting these back in?
I don't know if we need them.
You don't do much.
No.
What's it supposed to do?
It looks like it's supposed to drip oil there. I don't know if it does or not.
So oil's supposed to collect right there,
Okay.
and it's supposed to drain almost flat to here, and it's supposed to drip on that. How do you all get up to here?
Osmosis.
Sprays out of here,
Okay.
maybe, if there's any oil pressure. It hits the valve cover and just drips all over the place. So it's already got oil in the rod going down. It's going up and down, splashing back up in the cover. So it's all emulsified, blowing everywhere. Everything in here is coated with oil.
Sure.
That is a joke. If you're only turning 5 RPM and you got grease for oil like they did back in the 50s when they built these things. In the late 40s when they made this stuff, post-war.
When did they stop using these?
They never did.
When they were there.
I quit using them years ago. I don't use them. They don't do anything. Now we got modern oil that actually works. Don't need all that fancy crap. They're loose. Get on the rock arm. What good was that dowel doing?
Not much.
You hit right on the rocker arm right here.
Mm-hmm.
Goes your nut.
Or washer.
Washer. Where's your washer in there?
Hmm?
A lock washer.
I'd have to ask somebody who built this motor
Why
last
would
time.
you have a lock washer on a rocker arm? That's stupid. This thing here is being a problem. This thing's bent, so it didn't fall up and down like it's supposed to. Alright, so your nuts suck, your oilers suck. Well, let gravity help you.
Yeah, I can't get it out.
Looks like you did some buffing in there.
Not me.
Someone did. Wasn't me. Water brush or something, get all the carbon out of there. Ports are pretty good. You're missing your cracks. What happened?
It's in a crack.
They're not cracked. What
I
happened?
don't know.
Looks like they've been cut a bunch. You got a nice smooth finish. Quality.
It wasn't meant to be around in 2025.
It's my carb cleaner.
That came off easy.
Garbage. That we want. New valves. Don't lose your keepers. These are replacement valves. Feel how gritty that is.
Oh wow.
You can hear it.
There again.
Lubricated with what's that?
Oh.
Rusty dirt crap. You just
Nice.
feel the grit.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So you break, that's break-in compound.
Oh, you think it is?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what to use?
What?
Break-in compound. Smooth.
The little clover stuff comes in a can.
I don't know what the fuck they put in there. Not very good, whatever it is. After you wipe all the crud off, it gets looser. Factory clearance. Loose as a goose.
Well, you always tell me loose is better than tight.
That is a fact. That is 100% fact. Weak valve springs. So just
Look like they're coming off pretty easy.
yeah, it's not much pressure there. This doesn't fill off. I don't feel it. Keepers. Hopefully overstock. Who knows?
Wow.
It isn't quite as liquefied as the other stuff was. This looks more like an exhaust. See, this is the original valve. See the wear on it?
Mm-hmm.
It's getting looser though. Get lubricated with mud. Get looser now. See?
Mm-hmm.
The more you go into that cleaning it, the worse it gets. See if your keepers are good. They look like they're Harley. Nice and tight. Just like we want. intake, exhaust. See the difference?
Mm-hmm. Different length.
Yeah, it's about 15, 20 thou difference in length. That's the difference between intake and exhaust. That and material. Intakes are made thinner, exhausts are made thicker. So if you want good intake valves, put exhaust in there. They're way better quality.
Huh. Okay. Learn something new every other day.
That's if we don't put oversize in this thing. That's how factory tools fit factory parts.
It is pretty nice.
That one's tight.
Oh,
That one's rusted in.
wow.
Oh yeah, those aren't just falling off. Those aren't falling off. That's the one that had all the rust on it. That one didn't want to come off. Alright, that one's off. Stick them on them. Stick them.
Oh, look at that one.
Wow, rusted. Junk. We keeping these?
Not if they're junk, no.
We don't need to clean them then.
Sounds good, man.
Perfect. Save my washing bill. That's the exhaust again. They put new exhaust valves in these. That's new. Ding ding ding, they want you.
Always. Just turn it off.
Alright, we'll be back. There's plenty to do.